Hey guys, so basically something amazing happened on Saturday. Was it Saturday?
Somewhere around Saturday.
Somewhere on Saturday, 6 p.m. So basically Fahima called us. No, it was me. So Fahima called us and we were in the middle of Chinatown. And then she
told us. Oh my god. BTOB saw us.
BTOB.
Oh my god. Though it was like a few seconds short, we were still there though.
Anyways, BTOB, we did a BTOB beat reaction and they chose our reaction. And then, BTOB saw us, oh my god! So we spazzed out and unfortunately Jinsa, she didn't have her phone, so we couldn't really tell her what happened. So
we're gonna do a special surprise.
Hidden camera kind of thing. So she's next door with Fahima right now. And we're gonna tell her the news soon. So yeah, it was hard for us to keep a secret.
For 4 days.
In Singapore.
I thought I was going
here it is. Here it is. They're twerking.
Who is?
Big one.
Hi.
Hello everyone. Hello. Today is a very special. You guys.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, it's a very special video because we need to announce something. Am I right?
Yeah.
Geneva.
Something amazing happened. Amazing that we did not expect for this channel to happen.
And it's also a surprise.
Okay. I was wondering what it was. Now I get what you're talking about.
No,
What?
you don't. No, you don't.
No, do I don't know about this.
No, because it's a surprise for you.
It's a surprise.
So here's a surprise, yeah?
Are you gonna hit me or something?
No. Explain it.
Basically, on Saturday, each one of us, well, Fahima, knew about this, about how BTOB saw our MV reaction in a way.
Yeah.
BTOB
Saw our MV reaction. And they reacted to our MV reaction. BTOB, fam!
What? No. What?
BTOB, born to beat! MV reaction.
Everyone watched us.
Oh my god!
No, you guys are lying.
I recorded it.
She's still in shock, y'all.
Still in shock.
She can't.
I'm gonna get a heart
there.
attack. This is hurting my tummy now.
Okay, let's watch it.
Tomorrow.
I was gonna jump.
Calm down.
조용하게 지켜봐 주시면.
Okay.
But we weren't even on.
머리 이거 했다고요. 보컬. 예?
Oh yeah. But we weren't even like this. Oh my god.
FBJ KML.
Look at their faces. They're not even amused.
They are.
Give her down.
Oh no! Who's this guy? He had reacted. But he reacted. Oh my god! Look at his face. Look at his face.
He's better thinking, who's this girl with the hijab?
Look at it.
Going crazy.
It's Minion.
No, that's Neil. Isn't it not?
That's Minion.
Oh,
Minion, man.
Yeah, your back's right.
Oh, my throat really hurts now. Oh my gosh, I should stop. Oh yeah, man.
Okay, so this is our reaction to BTOB seeing our reaction.
아 귀여우시다.
You called them cute?
We were like, oh, they didn't even care about us, man. Who was that?
You laughing at me? Were you laughing?
I think that's it.
Okay, so this is our reaction to BTOB seeing our reaction. Alright, how'd you go back?
I swear we did best.
Did you stop it? No. Let's see Jinsa's.
But Jinsa.
It's an iPhone, isn't it? Are you trying to do a selfie?
Action.
Selfie!
Stop.
언제까 네가 봐라 누구 네가 미워
Can you not put the camera on me?